Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter 5, and today we're going to do piecewise linear graphs, which is the last topic for the chapter 5. So start beginning with example 1. Before that I need to let you guys know what is piecewise function. So sometimes the situation require two linear graphs and obtain the suitable model and the graph using the model such a situation, like they call the piecewise function. And first thing first, we know we have to make sure the linear graph, like they had the range, or we call this one is called domain. And different domain have a different linears. So 0 to 3, 3 to 8, and here's the difference. And first question, using the appropriate in linear for determine the cost supply for the deliver a following amount of the crash rock. So 2.5 cubic meter. So 2.5 is inside the 0 to 3, so we can use say equal to 50 plus 40x. When x equal to 2.5, say equal to 50 plus 40 multiplied by 2.5. And 40 multiplied by 2.5 is 100, so 50 plus 100 equal to 150. So this is a dollar, so which is 2.5 meter cubic will be a dollar over $150. And for 3 meters cube. So now it's a different one because you can say x is less than 3 but not equal to 3. You have to be equal to 3. That will be on the second of the equation. So when x equal to 3, c equal to 80 plus 3x. So that equal to 80 plus 3 multiplied by 3. That equal to 80 plus 9. Actually, sorry, that's 30x. That's 30x. So 30 and that's a 90. So then that equal to $170. Yeah. So you have to use the same, actually the right equation with you. So we can say the third one, they'll be using c equal to 80 plus 30 multiplied by 6. So that equal to 80 plus 180. That equal to $260. Now we're gonna use the equations and constructing piecewise linear graph. So now what we do is we're gonna graphing these things together. So before that, I'm gonna move this one to the next page. So give me a second. So perfect. Now I'm gonna graph that. So before we graphing the piecewise function, so first thing first, we need to know x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, say equal to 50 plus 40 times 0 equal to 50. That's your starting point, which is 0, 50. When x equal to 3, c equal to 80 plus 30 times 3, which is beheaded, equal to 170. So which is 170. 3, 170. And another one, you have to submit, which is when x equal to 8. Say equal to 80 plus 30 times 8. That equal to 80 plus 240. That equal to 320. So 8, 320 will be your last endpoint. So the graph will look like y and x. So start from 0. So 0 start from 80, so which is 80. 0, 80. That's the first point. And then what you do is you're going to 3, 170. So this is your second point. We connected. So this is the first graph, which is C equal to 50 plus 40x. And your second one, start from 3, 6, and then 3, 70. And we go into, so 8, 320, which is here. And this is the second graph. Perfect. And then this 8, 320. And this is two different graph, and we combine together and we call the piecewise function. Hopefully that all makes sense. The step graph is type of piecewise graph using the line segment, and then each line is horizontal. So we could using that as our next question. So here is examples, and we're gonna do a step lines. The first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create each time interval to draw the appropriate segment, and we're using the lines and indicated for the change in the place at the end of the year. So we can say it's 5 years. So each year adding the investor like $10,000 and invest 12% annually the combined interest. So we can say the interest earned and then total amount of money. So first thing first, if I want to create a step graph, that will be looks like this. This time I'm gonna label all my Y's, which is all the amount of money. And this is my horizontal line, which is my year. So we start from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and to 5. So start from 0 to 1, the first year is start from $10,000. And then we go into the first year and then semicolon, because that means that case is like the first year we invest to now. And now what we do is second one we go into 120 11000 which is in here, so which is first year to second year horizontal line. So horizontal line we're going to 2, and we just keep going to the third year, and then now it's 1 2, so which is 12000. So now it's in here. So you start from second year to third year, which is in here. We're going to third year. Perfect. And the fourth year we keep going, which is like we're going up to by 140, so which is around here, 140. And then just moving up by 1, and then going to the fourth year. Yep, perfect. And then semicolon, last year will be 150. And a little bit ahead, so which is in here. Going, okay, 50. Yep, perfect. So this is called step graph. And then hopefully that all makes sense. So you just each year by year, you just keep annually doing it. And this is all piecewise function. Hopefully understandable. And then please make sure let me know if you have any questions. and I'll see you guys next time.